Hello everyone, here we have Mr. Gajendra and Mr. Sahil from Perfect Equipments. So can you tell us a bit about Perfect Handling?
Perfect handling is my 2 years back. I started my company.
Actually, Gajendra Gupta sir, actually they are retired and they have started the factory from past 2 years. Actually from past 20 years he was serving in the same factory with the same production line. So he has maximum amount of knowledge in this line. So one day he just came with an idea of starting his own factory with recoilers and straighteners. Actually these machines are made to minimize, or we can say to just output the amount of automation line which can help to the suppliers to maximize their production.
Yes.
So in the previous years what happens that the man just put sheet by through hand. Okay, what happens that it just minimize the production level. If a machine can give that production in 2000 or 3000 amount of capacity, then the labor which is used is paid for 5000 to 6000. So that's why our mission is to hand over these kinds of machine and to make India a automation. With the help of automation, we can make a labor-free India.
Yes.
It's our main motto.
Okay. So sir, what are the challenges? आपने क्या-क्या challenges face किया ये company बनाने में?
बहुत से challenges हैं मैम. Actually, while starting this startup, from past 2 years, so there are a lot of challenges. We have our competitors with us selling these machines. What we can say as in a scrap amount. Still, we have to face them and build the same type of quality we are giving. That customer, instead of buying that machine, they should came and give us a repeat order. This is our main challenges we are having. And to sell this machine again to the same customer with customer satisfaction.
So sir, can you tell me what is your take on the current Indian manufacturing industry?
Actually, first of all, the whole industry should get automized first, because automation is much more requirement, because from day-to-day activities we are seeing that customers or consumers are getting into R&D. They need more advanced technology every day. That's why for them machine is the only thing that a man-made which can help this automation.
So thank you so much sir. Thank you so much for your time and it's been a pleasure meeting you sir. Thank you.